Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Exodus and unlocking your wallet with your PIN or biometric. Make sure your 12-word seed backup is secure because recovery depends on it. Once done, navigate to the Buy/Sell tab in the app. This is where exchanges are routed. You need a linked payment method, add a debit card, or connect bank ACH now. Doing this upfront avoids delays during purchase and ensures seamless identity checks that may follow when you submit payment. With your payment method ready, choose Bitcoin and type the amount you want in dollars or BTC. Next, pick the payment method you linked. Exodus will show the exchange rate, network fee, and provider fee. Review them. If the provider requires KYC, complete identity verification quickly. Upload your ID and a selfie as requested. Once verified, confirm the purchase. The transaction is sent through a third-party on-ramp, then routed to your Exodus BTC address for custody immediately after settlement. After confirming, monitor your portfolio for the incoming BTC and check the transaction list for the provider's deposit record. Make sure to allow network confirmations. Sometimes congestion causes short delays, so be patient. If funds don't appear after the expected time, locate the transaction ID in the provider details and verify on a block explorer. If the TX is absent or failed, contact the provider's support first, and if needed, reach Exodus support with the TX ID and screenshots to resolve the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.